entrepreneur Michael Tennant.
Now with the award-winning ad executives.
I'm Michael Tennant. I'm a father, I'm a son, I'm a husband, and a first-time author. Prior to starting my company, Curiosity Lab, I led strategy and marketing for companies like Procter & Gamble, Coca-Cola, and Google. My mission today is to make practicing empathy mainstream.
Spurred on to make a big change in life after personal loss, coming up with a card game to inspire curiosity and empathy.
I believe that if we can train 1 million empathy experts, then we can generate serious momentum around proliferating empathy expertise around the world. And I've created other products to help you become an empathy expert. What would it look like to take empathy out of theory or out of taboo and to move it into regular practice? Together in this world, not fundamentally apart. What would that look like? Abundance, right? Safer, right? I'm the creator of Actually Curious. It's a conversation game that gamifies trust building and learning how to have difficult conversations. Actually Curious has been featured by Beyonce, the New York Times, and so many more. I'm the creator of the 5 Phases of Empathy model, which was created to make practicing empathy easy, accessible, and even fun. I'm the author of The Power of Empathy, a 30-day guide to personal growth and social change. The more empathy we get is the more empathy we can give, and consistently. You just received a playbook for how you can amplify the movement to spread empathy. Thank you.